When I cut my first record at the age of 15, we were on an old Studer machine and had 2-inch tape. Boy, has technology changed the game. And it's changed it forever. Some of those changes are really great, some not so great, but hey, it's not going to go the other way. It's not going to turn around and go backwards. So we all need to really understand where technology is going. Technology is really pushing recordings forward, and we're all learning to listen to music that's perfected in a very different way now because it's all digital. I'm not mad at that because I have a studio and I produce, so I love all the tools that we have available to us and all the digital technology that really allows me to do what I do best. But I want you to understand that the authentic representation of your voice is still the human thing, and as much technology as we have, it's never really going to replace that. So always remember to be prepared and do your best, but know that technology can help to enhance what we do to only make us better and to strive to be excellent.